What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dom the Creator, back at it again with another video. So I know it's been a minute, but I try to post good content for you guys, so I try to make sure I have everything ready to go before I post. But it's that time, guys. It's that time. So first off, I want to say shout out to 56 subscribers. We made it to that milestone. 56 subscribers, guys. So you know what that means. It's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. So you gotta get that giveaway going. So this video today is going to be regarding the giveaway, number one. And it's also going to be a DIY on how to install, removing this and installing a new diffuser. And this diffuser will fit your GTs, and I believe it will also fit RTs, but don't quote me on that. You have to look it up yourself, but I do believe it fits RTs also. But yeah, today we're going to be installing and removing this diffuser, you know, the stock one for your GTs, and installing the new diffuser, give it more a little bit more of an aggressive look. But before we get into the DIY of the installation, giveaway. So again, shout out to 56 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching my videos. I see all these comments coming through. So, hey, shout out to all of you guys for the continuous love and support on my videos. You guys are the GOAT. I appreciate it. And you know, next milestone's 100. So 50 is only the stepping stone, and I'm so happy and grateful for all of it. So giveaway time. Rules to the giveaway. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna ask a question, and in this video I want you guys to comment the answer at the end of, after watching this video, comment the answer below in the comments. Drop the answer to my question in the comments below, and everyone that got the correct answer or gets the correct answer will be entered on the wheel to win the prizes I have for the giveaway. So if you guys been keeping up with my videos and watching them, this is the test to see if you guys been actually, you know, watching my videos. So here's the question. You don't want to miss out. Listen up. What is the make and model of the car I had for the GT? Again, what is the make? You don't have to give me the year. What is the make and model of the car I had for the GT? And everyone that gets the correct answer, I wanted it to be fair. I was only gonna do just my subscribers, but I wanted to be fair because I know a lot of people out there watch my videos and they're not subscribed. So I'm just generalizing this to the public. And then if you win, congratulations, and we'll figure something out to get you these gifts. But the question is, again, what is the make and model of the car I had for the GT? Winner of this gets a couple goodies, which I have right next to me. So winner gets WeatherTech mats. I also have a Zoo Society plate, a license plate cover, and I have a Treads Customs air freshener for your car. So these three things is for the winner. Again, what is the make and model car I had before this one. And good luck to all of you. I hope one of you get to take these goodies. But yeah, that's for the giveaway. So let's get right into the install. All right, guys, so install time. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. So again, shout out to 56 subscribers. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. And here's a DIY just for you guys. If you have a GT, and like I said, I believe it fits an RT, and I think it fits a 392, the scats, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but the GTs are in that scat RT body style. But don't quote me on it. Don't quote me on it. I'm not a big fan of all the different models. All I know is I love my GT, and definitely down the road I want a Daytona. So but when I looked up the Diffuser, I know the Diffuser fits GT models. So again, we're going to be removing the factory OEM diffuser, and then I actually do have my diffuser right here. I'm going to be installing that one right there. Alright, so it should be a pretty quick install. There's 2 clips on the stock one, which will be used for the new one. There's a clip on that side, and then there's a clip on this side. So there's that, and then there's 4 bolts, I believe. So let's see if we can get a close-up on that. So here's the diffuser. Don't mind my fingerprints right there, but that's the diffuser I'll be installing right here. And tools you need for this: molding, trim remover, molding or trim clip remover, and then this is a 7mm socket for the bolts, and that's all you need right there. 7mm socket and a trim clip molding remover, because you're gonna need it. So get up under here to show you guys. So you got bolt right here, you got another one right here, and you got 2 more on that side, and then you got the clip at the end, and then you got another clip right here. So you gotta remove all those, and then this should pop right off, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into this. Go ahead and undo the screws underneath and get this install going. Alright guys, so just like that, diffuser is off. That is how it would look if you had no diffuser on your car. Here's my stock one. Let me get a better angle on this. Here's your stock diffuser. all GT models. And then now we're going to be installing that one on there. Alright guys, so I have my diffuser here in my hand. The reason why you have to make sure on the diffusers that you buy that it fits your car is because of these clips right here. So these clips is what is the primary holder, if you want to consider it the primary holder that holds it to your car. So mine has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About 16 clips to hold it in place on the car. So I did have a diffuser before I got this one, but unfortunately it didn't have the right amount of clips. It was actually missing some. It came off of a wide body scat, so it didn't fit, so I had to return it. I did like the look on it though. It was a lot more aggressive, but this one right here is what fits my GT. So we're gonna go ahead and install it right now. We'll see how it goes. All right. Had a little difficulty because the clips on this side wasn't actually going in, but we got it, guys. It's not supposed to be that hard, but we got it. Got it. Alright guys, alright, so it took me a little bit because these two clips that are right here in the center, it's kind of giving me some problems, but it's on. Thank you. Yeah guys, it's on there. What a difference. So we're gonna get it all bolted up, cleaned up, and then go from there. Alright guys, so you can actually reuse the same clips and screws to bolt this one back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I actually did the first one already, just to kill time. But I'm gonna do this one right now on the other side, and then I'm gonna get the bolts back on, and then we're gonna clean it up, and then see how it really looks. Alright guys, so there it is. There it is. Out with the old and with the new. What a night and day difference. Night and day difference, guys. So, hey, that's gonna be it for this video. Until next time, it's your boy, Dom the Creator. Peace.